Parham Doctors Hospital presents Doc Talk, featuring exciting new medical breakthroughs and innovations.
Since I've joined North Virginia about 4 years ago, we started doing cases at Parham Hospital, and we brought a significant amount of volume. We see a rise in patient flow in surgical cases at Parham in the past 4 years. Minimally invasive surgery in the last several years has really taken off, leveraging various avenues of technology. The premise is, and the general idea is, to make smaller incisions disrupt less soft tissue to have better outcomes and better recovery trajectories for patients. We don't want to create a whole lot of soft tissue disruption, inflammation, blood loss, and down the road pain for patients when we can accomplish the same goals through smaller incisions. Minimally invasive spinal surgery can also be used to perform more involved techniques or more involved procedures like spinal fusions, where you can use a small tube through a smaller incision and deliver the stabilizing implants through those smaller incisions. We use microscopes that can magnify up to 10 times or more to deal with very small problems through small holes. Sort of like building a ship in a bottle, except for a patient, that benefit translates a greater deal by shortening their recovery phase. The Joint and Spine Center has been kind of handcrafted by us over the last several years, focused particularly on patient outcomes, patient experience, safety, and effective rehabilitation and postoperative care for patients. We meticulously watch over how well our patients are doing and watch for these endpoints as patients progress through their postoperative care. I think our patients do very well with our nurses, who are exceptionally trained, and their recoveries are significantly smoother than otherwise if they were on a general medical floor. My patients routinely comment to me that they're extremely happy with the care that they receive here at Parham Hospital, specifically on the joint and spine floor. The level of training and experience and confidence inspired by the nursing staff is something that resounds well with the patients. In my practice, I'm rather conservative. More than 90% of patients don't need surgery. And the few that do, we have a conversation about what kind of a personalized approach we'll need to take for that particular patient. It is super specialized care as it pertains to orthopedics, joints, and spine. I think that's unique within our region. It caters ideally to excellence in outcomes, safety, sterility, and we're at the forefront of technology in several different sciences here. And that's why I think if you need to seek orthopedic care, Parham Hospital is the best place in the region.
Learn more about new innovations and procedures happening at the Joint and Spine Center at parhamspine.com.